Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Town Ace Noah. It comes with 65,481 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. Comes with 2 front doors, a rear sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right. As y'all can see, the lights do go away, so you know we have not punched them out. All right, the number that you're seeing down here, 105,382. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 65,481. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best right-hand drive factory vehicle across the USA, you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Wow, my brain is not cooperating today. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.